Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight we're going for dinner at with this beautiful friend Leia. So it's just unplanned, so one call away and let's go, let's having dinner. So it is really good. So focus my beautiful driver. So at the same time easy lang tayo because we're not driving. And we're gonna go to the other beautiful lady. We're gonna pick her up.
Oh, not rain here. Look, I'll show you now.
Oh, okay. So this is another way, right?
Yeah, this is another
Okay, because last time I went in the other way. So I'm sure that even if it's my second time around, I can't even remember. So serious, cause she's driving. Oh, this way. Fine.
It's so dry here.
It's weird, no? It's raining in our place and here it's not. Why? What's happening? Same area. Oh, see? It's very cloudy and it's cold.
But we bought at home.
But we're going out. Yes.
Unplanned is always good, isn't it?
Yes, always unplanned. So we're gonna take the video here when she comes or not. Here we are. We are complete now. It's like that's pretty. And Brasilia, and there's another one behind the back. Hello. It's unplanned dinner date. The three of us. Isn't it? Unplanned. It's not planned, baby. It's good. Oh, we are the Asian beautiful ladies. Okay, see you later.
Like curry? Yeah, but they have a menu. Yeah, but you don't
But
have.
at the moment, we don't need a menu. We need to memorize.
Yeah, I mean you don't have like what you like, your favorite Thai. Pad Thai. Oh, Pad Thai. Jack, what you doing?
The vlogging kasi sa pad Thai.
Maybe they have soup, no? Because cold. They have tom yum, maybe.
I think they have blanket too. And they have blanket too. It's very cold. Good to be cuddle and put the blanket on, right? Oh. Joke face. Okay, we'll see what we're gonna get, okay? So we're here, guys. We're having dinner here. So hello, beautiful people.
Sexy naman ang aking dalawang.
Like you. Hello.
Oh.
It's very windy. Oh my god, it's too heavy. So we're here.
Hi, how can I help you? I had a booking. I'm Leah.
And
Hand sanitizer. Hello. Say hello. You're very cold. I am very cold too. Hand sanitizer first. We need to write our name and number. This is the place, guys. Leaf restaurant in our road. So leave. And there's the other place there. And it's me. Really car park. So There's their menu, guys. So what we got here? There's a lunch only $10. So which one I gonna get? What you gonna get? How about us, madam? What you gonna get? You're so serious. You feel like you have an exam.
I know.
You're gonna get 0? It's not selfie, it's a video. You're gonna see something.
I know.
At the moment, guys, I'm vlogging. We're gonna we're still thinking what we're gonna get for our dinner.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? I'm Jen. And you?
Ladies, are we ready to order?
Yes, please. Can we have a fried rice?
Just a classic fried rice.
Yes, please.
And what made in the fried rice?
The place, guys. So there's someone coming inside. So
Because I saw that one really table.
that's the main entrance there. Receptionist. So there's a lot of table at the back. There's chairs. And chairs, and they are following the social distancing, of course. Social distancing from you. So, side view best. I said side view and you said front view. Yes, arigato gozaimasu. This is our dinner, guys. So fried rice and
Pad Thai,
and then pork.
curry.
No, this is pork and then curry and rice. So bam bam time. Oh, eating time. Let's eat. Hello, eating time.
Wala ka dyan, Jen. I'm hungry, Jen.
I'm hungry.
Vlog. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, Jen. I'm hungry. Let's eat.
Hungry. Move a little bit here. Please. Sorry. Poor Marilyn.
Okay,
Eating time. Nice, yummy chili. Oh, yeah. Eat, Jen. I'm speechless.
Will be interesting, the boys. Eating,
So we're finished our dinner, guys. It's very yummy. So it's still early. So that's the counter there. Busog na sa inday. So let's going somewhere. Hello, and after our dinner, we're going somewhere to have a dessert. Dessert panghimagos. Hello, madam. Are you okay there, madam? why you're so quiet?
because he's full.
That's bad. She's sleeping me like me. Wrecking ball. So let's go somewhere.
I'm already with my pajama.
It's okay. It is your house.
There. You can there like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So after the dinner outside, guys, we're here for the dessert.
Yes.
We're saving some money, that's why we're here. We just can't afford for the meal. No. So while eating fruits, we have got a fruit mukbang. No? We're gonna show them. Show. Sorry po. There you go. You can say that.
And chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
And some Tim
Careful, I did it so. Very supportive. And after that, we're gonna do some TikTok if we still got more energy, you know. You know the TikTok no more or TikTok for more? What? TikTok. So, eating time. Pineapples good for your body. Busy, Madam is busy with her. And now is going fast talk, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Beautiful heart or beautiful face?
Beautiful
Heart.
Heart. Perfect. Day or night?
Night.
Night.
Night? Why? Because of the boom boom. What else? It's fast talk, but I'm not the one.
You're the one that
Yeah,
passed.
that's right.
You're not ready.
Sex or chocolate?
What?
Sex or chocolate? Sex or chocolate?
Sex.
Best time of sex?
Morning.
My mind is anytime.
Me anytime when my hobby hard. Oh, don't miss that.
Tired? Really, this video to guys.
I didn't miss it hard. Okay, available.
How many times? How many times? How many rides?
Why me?
3 times a day.
3 times.
It depends. It's always hard.
It depends upon the pindot. No, you just do like that. Flick until. Rated this video, guys. So funny, but our husband is not old, you know. Leah's husband is very young, but ours is not that old, so.
That's why.
You
Need
know?
to be ready first.
All the time. Look it. Tim Tam? Why Tim Tam?
Work from home.
Wow.
Cup of tea?
What?
Cup of tea.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Which country would you choose? Philippines or Australia?
Oh, Philippines, of course.
Why you're here in Australia?
Because of money.
They don't say.
Because of the future. Because of the future.
Laughter is the best medicine. So hello guys, we got a Christmas present. Thank you. Thank you for the sponsor. Thank you, man. Say look.
What
The one you guys say.
Really suit both of you. Yeah. I hope you like it.
Yes, I
Come
am.
on, let's see. Lynn, you're very pretty, Lynn. Look at the camera.
Look here.
See?
Oh.
And then,
So
really suit you.
yeah, I'm still not tall. Even I wear the high heels. My God. TikTok. No. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we're having a early Christmas present. Thank you, sponsor Hanalia. Thank you very much for our early Christmas present.
Wait, I put mine in the.
Because
I put mine in the gift wrap.
Mine too. So we're gonna do TikTok now. I'm gonna practice.
You practice.
Philippines. I'm just dreaming.
Ilongga nanalo Jen.
Yes, Ilongga.
I put in the bag for you.
Ah, thank you. Yeah, I forgot. I just bought the other one.
That's alright.
So this one is a gift.
It's a gap.
It's a gap.
It's a gap.
Gift. Gifted child.
You need to iron that, yeah?
Annoying now. Guys, I'm very sorry. I'm very happy. This is my night, so thank you, Lord.
God.
You know? Kasi naka-poise tayo ngayon.
Is that record? Is that record?
Oh,
Is that
yes, I did. So we're gonna do TikTok. TikTok.
I don't know
Na
how to
na
TikTok.
na na na. Thank you. Hello guys, we're coming early Christmas present. Thank you to the sponsor, Manuela, for this. Ready for the. Thank you. Here we go. Thank you very much.
This is our Santa Claus.
Yes, Santa Claus is coming to town. It's already here. Ready thank you. Ready for the Christmas party.
Christmas party.
Thousands or millions of birds. Wow. Birds that flock together is the same feather.
Maybe.
Huh? Oh, maybe they're gonna come inside.
This one,
Huh? Wow, look at that. So I think millions of them. Oh, can't believe it. Oh, why just during this time?